What's up, guys? So today I got this in the mail. This is from the people who make the potty packs and, you know, crap kits. I guess I don't want to curse in the video, but if you guys have seen that video before, it's just little, you know, personal kits you can keep in a bag or in your car for those type situations. Now they have a park pack and a hangover kit, which is actually pretty interesting. Came with paperwork here. It shows retail price is going to be, looks like $3.50 for either one of these kits. That is retail. I'm not sure what they're actually going to, you know, sell for, but pretty interesting. So we're going to open these up and talk about it a little bit. So first, let's try the park pack. All right, made in the USA. It's a single use. So we have suntan lotion, insect repellent, earplugs, lip balm, wet wipe, and hand sanitizer. So today I had the little Boker Subcom. Cut that off and check out this stuff. I could have actually used this kit a few days ago. I went to a NASCAR event and I could use all this stuff pretty much. Earplugs, which are good in case you want to stay in your own zone. Obviously it says park pack, but you can use this in a variety of different you know, events or different things you might be going to. Sunscreen lotion. This one says SPF 30. There's 1/8 ounce in here. Should be plenty to cover all the exposed skin. Moist towelettes, which is always good to have. Sting relief. All right, so this is for insect bites. It says antiseptic and pain reliever. All right, good thing to get a nasty bug bite. Insect repellent. It says with citronella and soybean oil to protect exposed skin surfaces from insect bites. Non-toxic. All right. Instant hand sanitizer. Lip balm. I've never seen lip balm in this type configuration. I could feel in there. It's lip balm. It's a one-time use. In fact, actually, there's probably enough in here to do it 2 or 3 times if you need to. And tush wipes. Individual flushable moist wipes. So that is actually pretty handy. Again, for a lot of different situations, not just going to the park. This would be a good thing to throw in a bag just if you're going on a hike or something. If you want a real light kit, obviously depending on how intense your hike is or how deep you're going into the wilderness, this would just be a part of your, you know, full kit. But I guess if you're staying in civilization, these are all awesome conveniences to have. All right, so then we have a hangover kit. It says water not included. Also made in the USA, no regrets. So, reduce pain and rehydrate as well as refresh. So it's painkiller and antacid. There's an electrolyte powder mix. That's why it says water not included. Obviously you're gonna need some water for the electrolyte powder. And then there's also mint and a lip balm. So let's check that out. See what's going on. Oops. All right, so there's our mint right on the end. That'll help with your morning after breath. Got some aspirin for the headaches. Should be drinking plenty of water if you're going to, you know, plan on having a hangover. But anyway, Diotame, 2 tablets. I guess this is the antacid, maybe. Yeah, bismuth. Looks like main ingredient on there. So no name antacid. Moist towelette, again, clean yourself up a little bit after that party. Same lip balm, very effective. You gotta be partying pretty hard, you wake up some dry lips. And then of course the, you know, electrolyte powder drink mix basically. This one says Squincher Zero. So that is that orange flavor. Interesting. So overall, what do you guys think of these? Do you think it's really stupid? Do you think it's a really awesome idea? I happen to like them. Don't have a need for this one. Definitely have a need. I could see this being very useful in the future, so I will actually pack these and possibly use them in the future. But it's pretty cool. I love the whole concept here. So yeah, let me know what you think of it down below. $3.50 retail, maybe they'll be like $2, $2.50 each or something. I think it's totally worth it. If I happen to see this at a gas station or something on the counter, I would probably have an impulse purchase and buy something like this. Pretty neat. But anyway, you guys let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you soon. Take care.